How to fix Snapchat map. Something went wrong on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat map. Something went wrong on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here just type Snapchat and click on it, and now click for stop and then go to permissions and location. You will find it like that. Just click on it and click allow, and that's it. Now go to storage, clear cache, and now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it. If that doesn't fix your problem, just go to Play Store and check if there's any update here, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.